We're going to do a collapse drill or potential collapse drill.
Working closely with John Butcher is construction manager John Dawson.
We're training 120 people for going in the tunnel, and we're training in total, so there'll be another 280 people we're training for above ground duties.
To recreate the conditions, they've built a mock tunnel.
As you can see, it's a fair diameter, 2.6 metres in diameter. I'm 6'4", and I can't touch the top edges. You lose all sense, especially when it's dark, you'll lose all sense of what's vertical, what's horizontal. We may well have up to a foot of water in the bottom. It could be quite a spooky place to be. I have a reoccurring nightmare that I'm in that tunnel and I suddenly hear running water behind me. And that is my big fear. My whole job, my whole work ethos is to make sure that everybody comes home safe. And that I've done absolutely everything possible to make sure that everybody goes in, comes back out. Well, the fellas that made this nearly 60 years ago, hats off to them. I mean, you look at the archive footage of them building it, you know, there's no hard hats, there's no safety. They've all got flat caps and they're all smoking cigarettes in a potentially explosive atmosphere. And as for the engineering feat, to get a 1 in 3,000 gradient between Kendal and Bury without lasers, without GPS and satellites is a real feat of engineering. Take your hats off to these people. And they did it in all sorts of weather, limited materials, limited equipment. Absolutely amazing.